So you might see that bobcat jump out on one here in a minute. Those turkeys are going right where we just saw a bobcat go into the woods. Okay, we're gonna try to follow. Okay, we are literally chasing these things up over the hill. We've been in hot pursuit now for probably about, what, 15, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
And somewhere out here is that bobcat. We're gonna head up over this ridge and see what we see, and we'll bring you along with us. Let's go. Well, we chased him up to the ridge and we lost him for a moment, but I just want y'all like to see that view through the trees. I mean, we came from that meadow. So that's why I'm panting a little bit hard with this elevation. Us sea level folk, we're not used to being up here 5,500 feet. Except when you're young like this guy over here, my nephew. He's spotting right now. Somewhere up here is that bobcat, and we're just hanging tough here, trying to see. One thing it is, it's real slippery because you get all these pine needles up here, and this stuff is just slick as heck. I'm gonna take you over here to the rock. I'll climb up on top of the rock. We'll get you a view of what's going on. Maybe we'll see them. Now, we were out here geocaching right now and just playing around with my sling bow, just shooting, when we spotted these turkeys. And no, we're not shooting at the turkeys. We're admiring them because they're beautiful creatures. And we're just up here having fun, camping out overnight, practicing our camping skills, our bushcraft skills. Just trying to have a good time, just trying to pass on the tribal knowledge. So, oh, this, look at this. I never saw this. How would you know? Look at that. Hey, if we hadn't chased those turkeys, we never would have known. God bless them. You know, this is what I love most about coming out here. You know, we see things and we experience things that most people wouldn't experience. You know, it's a beautiful day in Southern California. It's in the 70s. Couldn't ask for a better day. Clear skies. Probably get down in the 40s tonight, but it doesn't matter. We're camping. We're having a good time. And, you know, I'm out here with my nephew, and we're spending some good quality time together. And I'm glad you could come along with us. So let's go see if we can find these turkeys.
I wonder where they went. They're fast, so. You know what? They probably dropped down to the left, but we didn't go that way.
We made it off the hill. Those turkeys gave us a run for our money. I mean, it was pretty steep coming down, and you guys saw the footage from, you know, up top where the meadows are. The meadow right now, you know, this is where I went camping about a month ago, and it's just beautiful. I just love this area. So I came up with my nephew. He's over there, and we're just having fun. So hopefully we can show you some more stuff. Maybe some more wildlife will be out later on. You never know on these adventures. So the temps were down in the 40s last night. Wasn't that bad. It was a pretty starry night. I tried to get it on some time still photography, but I'm still trying to learn my new camera, and it just didn't come out good at all. So I'm gonna have to play with that feature on future outings. As you can see this morning, it's beautiful. It's a little cloudy on the horizon, so the sun hasn't been able to peek through yet, but it's just a matter of time. As soon as that desert warms up and the sun comes up over these mountains, here we're at 5,500 feet, it's going to be a nice day up here in the Lagunas. This is one of my favorite areas to come to. You know, I never get tired of hiking and mountain biking up in these mountains. They're just gorgeous. Hopefully we get some wildlife views this morning, eat a little breakfast, and see what adventures we can get into. This overview is of Anza-Borrego State Park. It is the largest state park in California, if not the nation. Beautiful. And the trail right here that you see is the Pacific Crest Trail, all the way from Mexico to Canada. Zoom in down there in the valley. There's the Badlands. We've done a lot of hiking down there. There's a lot of mud caves to explore. This harsh but beautiful scenery. Okay, here's just another spectacular view of Anza-Borrego. Depending on the time of year, there's just so many sights to see. And the PCT follows it.